Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I've been doing tutorials on how to crochet uh, edging borders, and for today I want to show you how you can attach them on a fabric. Well, this is a towel. This is the one way I'm going to show you, and I just want to show you another way that I did by hand just to give you an idea. So which one looks better? This one is time consuming, but the end result is fantastic. This one goes fast. You just sew it on the towel. Just a regular sewing, nothing different involved. So I'm going to show you how to sew this up. I have two towels, are identical, but yeah, I like the way this looks when you look at this. Just put it so you can see. Everyone has a different preference, and I like the way this is, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so I have grabbed the crochet piece that I have done, and what I'm going to do is I can't find my sewing what you call those tools that I bought. I looked everywhere and I can't find them. I don't know, I must have put it somewhere, and so I'm going to use these chips clips. Fortunately I tried, but I looked everywhere. Okay, so just checking here. Okay, so it has to be the same as this one. So I'm just going to hold it like this. So it's this way. Just hold it like that. And we're going to start from here. If I had another one. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my crochet hook and then the thread. Okay, chain, couple of chains. It doesn't have to be fabric. It can be on a blanket you're working on, and anything. Okay, 4 chain. I know this part is a little bit tough, so I'm just going to poke in one fabric here. And then I'm just going to make a whoops, came out. Just want to secure it. Here we go. Just checking if it's not. Yeah, it did split. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to pull it a little bit to give that height. And okay, chain 2. And then I'm going to grab the crocheted piece right here and then make a slip stitch. Chain 2, and then come here, and I know the fabric is a little bit tough, but if you're working on a crochet item, I'm sure it's not going to be this tough. But for me, it's a little bit tough. Here we go. So pull, chain 2, and then come randomly anywhere on the double crochet and then make a slip stitch, chain 2. So I'm doing 2 chains. That's what I did at the other side of the work, other side of the towel. And then I'm going to the next one and poking, crochet hook, chain 2 again, and then just grab a piece here, do a slip stitch, chain 2, and then repeat. Chain 2, I forgot to do attachment here. Can you see? It doesn't look good, and I will fix that. Here, slip stitch, 2 chain, chain 2, slip stitch, chain 2, see how it looks? I don't like this. Let me just weave this. Always weave your ends, else they will be bugging you. See how it looks? So this is how you do it. You just continue doing it all the way to the end, and then it gives you this fantastic look. See? Isn't this nice? Like I said, you can use this method on anything to be attaching the 2 crochet hooks. Just do a joining by a slip stitch. Pull a little bit high, chain 2, and then grab somewhere to attach it, and always check. Don't try to leave a gap like I did. I had to go back to fix that gap, so don't try not to make leave a gap between, or else the border won't look good on the towel. Just like this. So it's a short tutorial. Just wanted to come, say pop up and say hello, and then show you a short trick. Chain 2, and then come here, do a slip stitch, chain 2, and then just, I don't know, a couple of layers. Just go to the next, poke your crochet hook, Sometimes it goes in between and doesn't want to poke. So take your time. Just like this. So I hope you liked this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video, my next tutorial. Whichever comes first. Take care. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.